guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to share with you a few Dollar Tree DIY Christmas decor. I am so thrilled to get started on sharing these quick and easy, beautiful ideas with you guys that you can incorporate into your home for the holidays. So for this first one, what you will need is two Dollar Tree small cylinder. This is not the long one. This is the small one. You'll need two of them. You will need three of these candle holders. These are new to my Dollar Tree. I must tell you though, they're not all straight. They have somewhat of a defect in them, but we're gonna make them work. So you will need three of them. You will need one of the new mesh that they have. These are the decorative mesh, and it has these little bubble on there that makes it look like snowflakes. So you will need one of those. And they also come in green and blue. Beautiful. You will need four of these deer. You'll definitely need your glue gun, glue sticks, and some diamond wrap. I'm going with the Totally Dazzled diamond wrap. I must tell you though, I love just the way that they look. They feel the stiffness of them. Sometimes the Dollar Tree ones can be bendy and not so good. This is a good quality one. I am very happy with the Totally Dazzled diamond wrap. Okay, so let's jump right into this DIY. First thing I want to do is measure out my mesh. This next DIY is going to be a velvet Christmas tree. I hauled this velvet trimming from Hobby Lobby for $4.99. I love the feel of it, and I want to do two DIYs with it. I must tell you, I am totally loving this velvety tree that we just created. And because of the velvet and it being burgundy, I decided I want to go ahead and add to the top of this one of the flat back, totally dazzle snowflake. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay some glue down. Let's measure it. I'm going to also add some of the Totally Dazzle Silver Diamond Wrap just to brighten this up a bit and give it some bling, because the burgundy is so dark. I think adding the silver will just cause it to pop. I think it would look fantastic with something lighter on it. So on the end of this trimming, I'm going to go ahead and lay some glue down and then go over it with some diamond wrap. So I want to go ahead and add some trimming to this, just as I did with the tree. Now I did the diamond wrap while the tree was up, but I think I want to try it this way by adding the diamond wrap before I actually put it onto my wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and trim back my diamond wrap and then come back and share with you how. So this is how it turned out, and I don't think there is a difference in adding it after or before. It pretty much takes about the same amount of time. No big deal. Whatever you choose to do is perfectly fine. Now I want to take the Totally Dazzled diamond wrap and I want to create a bow for this wreath. I decided I want to add a bow and one of these Dollar Tree bells. So we're going to take our diamond wrap, lay some glue down, fold your diamond wrap in, and attach it. Okay. We're going to do the same for a shorter piece. Next DIY is going to be a wall hanging. So you can put this on your door, you can put it on your wall, whatever works best for your home. And so I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's just a little hanging. And it says, "Keep life simple." I want to say that was for spring, but I did get it yesterday. It's just a wall decor. I want to recreate it, so I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it. And I think I want to do that in red. I think I'll do it in red. And then I'll come back and we can add the words to it. Now I did haul these from Walmart and they were 98 cents. And I did get this little deer from the Dollar Tree. Adorable. So I'm going to spray paint, come back, and we can assemble. Spray paint it red, and now I'm going to add my lettuce to this. So the lettuce fit perfectly, which is very nice. DIY is going to be a Dollar Tree snowman. So I hauled this snowman's head from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was adorable. Also got the wreath from the Dollar Tree. This is an ornament from the Dollar Tree, and we all are familiar with this super soft fiber microfiber cloth. I guess you use it for your car. I've used it to create some pillows and loved it. I think I may do that again this year, but for this project we're going to use it on this wreath to cover up the body. So my husband have this flannel Christmas PJs that he's not wearing anymore. So I cut the legs off so I could have a plaid. So I'm going to go ahead, measure this, cut it to size so I could give him a flannel scarf. Okay guys, so this is how the DIYs turned out. Absolutely love the way that they look. If you do, give me a thumbs up and please share the videos with your family and friends. I think they would be perfect for the holidays. You can also give these as gifts to your family and friends. All right, guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. Which one of these DIYs are your favorite? And if you're not a subscriber, I hope that you will hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next DIY.